Minnesota gets hammered by hail. I'm not exaggerating. The Twin Cities and the whole I-35 corridor sit right in hail country. Golf ball sized hail that tears up a roof in minutes. The average claim we see now is around $30,000, and that number's nearly doubled in just the last 10 years. But here's what most homeowners don't realize: how you respond in the first 48 hours after the storm determines whether you get paid the full amount or significantly less. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what adjusters are looking for, what your policy actually covers, and the one mistake that costs homeowners $5,000 or more. First thing, document everything from the ground before anyone gets on your roof. Take photos and video of your gutters, downspouts, your HVAC unit, window screens, any vehicles, date stamp it all. Adjusters are looking for hail spatter patterns and bruising on the shingles. The damage tells a story, but if you don't have clear before and after documentation, you're fighting uphill. This isn't just about having pictures. It's about protecting yourself if there's any question later about when the damage actually happened. Here's where most people get blindsided. Open your policy right now and find your declarations page. Look for either replacement cost value, that's RCV, or actual cash value, which is ACV. Replacement cost pays you what it actually costs to replace your roof today. Actual cash value pays you that amount minus depreciation. A roof that costs $20,000 to replace might only pay $8,000 under ACV if it's 15 years old. That's a $12,000 difference. If you've got an older roof and you're on ACV, you need to know that before you file a claim. Adjusters don't just, eyeball damage. They're looking for functional damage. Meaning, does this actually hurt the waterproofing of your roof, not just cosmetic dents? They count the number of hail impacts per 10 square feet. Most policies require at least 8 to 10 hits in a section before they'll approve a replacement. And here's the thing that really matters. Soft metals don't lie. Gutters, flashing, metal vents, those tell the whole story. If your gutters are dented up and your roof isn't, that mismatch raises red flags. But if your gutters are damaged and your roof is damaged in the same pattern, that corroborates everything. The number one mistake I see in my agency: people wait too long to file. Sometimes hail damage doesn't show up until months later when it rains and you find a leak. But by then, linking that damage back to the original storm is nearly impossible. Your insurer won't take your word for it. The second mistake is letting a storm chaser, contractor, file your claim for you. And these guys show up after a big storm and say they'll handle everything. Don't let them. You have a contract with your insurance company, not with the contractor. You need to be involved. Stay in control. If you've taken hail damage or you're not sure what your coverage actually is, call us right now at 763733747. We're licensed across Minnesota and surrounding states, and we can get you a quote in about 3 minutes.